Ever wondered what Marlin is and how it works in the world of cryptocurrency? Let's dive in. Marlin is more than just another name in the sea of digital currencies. It's a unique blockchain protocol designed with a special purpose. For those new to the concept, think of blockchain technology as a digital ledger, a transparent and secure way of recording transactions. Now, Marlin fits into this world as a protocol focused on enhancing the speed and scalability of these transactions. It's like the high-speed railway of the blockchain world, ensuring that data moves swiftly and efficiently. This focus on speed and scalability is what sets Marlin apart in the vast ocean of cryptocurrencies. It's not just about creating another digital currency, it's about improving the entire ecosystem. Now that we know what Marlin is, you might be wondering, how does it actually work? Let's find out in the next segment. Diving into the depths, let's explore how Marlin functions in the crypto ocean. Marlin is not just another fish in the sea of cryptocurrencies. It's a protocol that aims to redefine how data moves within blockchain networks. So how does it do this? By leveraging a concept known as nodes. Now, nodes are essentially points within a network. They're like the nerve endings of our body, helping to transmit information from one point to another. In a traditional blockchain network, nodes can be slow and inefficient in transmitting data, leading to delays and bandwidth issues. This is where Marlin steps in. The Marlin protocol creates a layer of relay nodes that work to speed up the data transmission process. These relay nodes are incentivized to provide high-quality service, which means they're always working to ensure data gets where it needs to go quickly and efficiently. But Marlin doesn't stop there. It also introduces the concept of cluster nodes. These are groups of nodes that work together to further enhance the speed of data transmission. By dividing the workload among several nodes, Marlin ensures that data can be transmitted at lightning speed even when the network is under heavy load. Now you might be wondering, how does Marlin ensure that these nodes are trustworthy? Well, it uses a staking mechanism. This means that nodes need to stake or lock up a certain amount of Marlin tokens to participate in the network. If they're found to be behaving dishonestly, they can lose their stake. This creates a strong incentive for nodes to behave correctly and provide high-quality service. So, in essence, Marlin is like the express lane on a highway. It's a protocol that speeds up data transmission in blockchain networks, making them faster and more efficient. It does this by using a network of nodes that are incentivized to provide high-quality service, ensuring that your transactions and data get where they need to go quickly and reliably. So, we've seen how Marlin operates, but what does this mean for you as a potential user or investor? The crypto world is vast and varied, so why should you be interested in Marlin? Well, Marlin offers a unique proposition of speed and scalability. Imagine being able to perform transactions at lightning-fast speeds without compromising on the network's ability to handle growing volumes. That's what Marlin brings to the table. But it's not just about speed. Marlin's innovative framework provides enhanced security features, making it a safe haven for your digital assets. It's like having a vault in the virtual world. Now let's consider some use cases. Marlin's technology can revolutionize various industries. For instance, in finance, it can streamline payments, reducing delays and costs. In supply chain, it can enable transparent and efficient tracking of goods. And in gaming, it can support real-time decentralized games, offering a seamless experience for gamers. We've covered a lot about Marlin. Let's summarize the key points. Swimming through the world of Marlin, we've discovered some intriguing aspects. We've learned that Marlin is much more than just another crypto coin. It's a unique project leveraging the power of blockchain technology to improve network performance and security. In our journey, we dived into how Marlin operates, enhancing the speed and reliability of data transfer across the network. It's an innovative solution that seeks to revolutionize the way we think about network infrastructure. We also explored the various benefits and use cases of Marlin. From improving the scalability of decentralized applications to fostering a more secure and robust digital ecosystem, Marlin has the potential to make a significant impact. And so, we've unraveled the mystery of Marlin in the vast ocean of cryptocurrency. Remember, the crypto world is always evolving, so keep exploring and learning. Stay curious, stay open, and who knows what treasures you'll discover next in this exciting digital frontier.